Hello students, good morning. Today I am going to take an interesting topic. Before I enter the topic, I am going to ask some questions to you. Then you will guess the name of the topic. Okay? Name some organism you like most. Cat, dog, birds, plant, etc. What is meant by an organism? Living creatures are called as an organism, isn't it? Do you think you can see all the organisms in this picture? No, you can't. Organisms that are visible under a microscope are called microorganisms. Many living organisms such as plants, animals, birds and humans are large enough to be seen with the naked eye. On the other hand, some living organisms are so small that you can't see through your naked eye. Such living things are called microscopic organism or microorganism. Let's see the introduction. Microorganisms are very tiny in size that they cannot be seen through your naked eye. With the help of the microscope only, we can see these organisms. Therefore, they are called as microbes. Microorganisms occur everywhere. They are found in air, water, soil and even inside our bodies. Some of them can even survive in severely adverse conditions such as hot spring, desert, snow and deep oceans. They remain inactive under unfavorable conditions and become active during favorable conditions. Microorganism is used in various types of industries. Microorganisms are broadly classified into 5 categories. They are virus, bacteria, fungi, algae and protozoa. First, we discuss about the topic virus. Now let's see the topic virus. What is a virus? Virus is derived from a Latin word which means poison. Viruses are very tiny in size compared to bacteria. It is in borderline between living and non-living things. Outside the host, it shows the characteristic of non-living things. Once it enters into the body, it shows the characteristic of living organism. The study of virus is called virology. Viruses are 10,000 times smaller than bacteria. Let's see the structure of virus. A virus contains a core DNA or RNA. Surrounding that core is a protein coat. In some viruses, the protein coat is covered by an envelope made of protein, lipid and carbohydrates. Outer covering layer is called as an envelope. The envelope has spikes that helps the virus particle to attach to the host cell. Host cell? What is host cell? Host is nothing but in which body it receives the viruses are called as an host cell. The virus enter into the plant means plant is a host. It enter into the human means human is a host. Now let's see the shapes of viruses. Helical, complex, spherical. These are some shapes of viruses. Bacteriophage is an example of complex virus. Influenza is an example of spherical virus. Tobacco mosaic virus is an example of helical virus. Virus cause many diseases to plant, animals and human beings. Example of plant virus is tobacco mosaic virus. Example of animal virus are poliovirus, smallpox and influenza virus. Let's see the topic bacteria. Bacteria are single cell prokaryotic organism. What is meant by prokaryotes? Pro means before, karyote means nucleus. So, it's not contain a true nucleus. Maximum nucleus is surrounded by the nuclear membrane. But in prokaryotes, the nucleus is not covered by the nuclear membrane. So, these organisms are called as a prokaryotic organism. They are considered to be the first living organism on Earth. Bacteria are grouped under the kingdom Munera. The study of bacteria is called bacteriology. The size of bacteria range from 1 micrometer to 5 micrometer. Bacteria are of two types based on the respiration. Aerobic bacteria and anaerobic bacteria. Aerobic means it requires oxygen for respiration. Anaerobic means it does not require oxygen for respiration. Let's see the cell structure. A bacterium has an outer covering known as cell wall. Nuclear material is represented by a nucleoid without nuclear membrane. An extra chromosomal DNA called plasmid is present in the cytoplasm. Protein synthesis is carried out by 70S ribosomes. Other organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum all are absent. Flagella aids in locomotion. Anton von Leeuwenhoek is the first person to discover the bacteria. Based on the shape, bacteria are classified into 4 types. They are bacilli, cocci, spirilla and vibrio. Bacilli means rod-shaped bacteria. Example, Bacillus anthracis. Spirilla, spiral-shaped bacteria. Example, Helicobacter pylori. Cocci, spherical or ball-shaped bacteria. Example, Streptococci and Staphylococci. Vibrio means comma-shaped bacteria. Example, Vibrio cholerae. Bacteria are also classified according to the number and arrangement of flagella, which as follows: monotrichous, lopotrichous, amphitrichous, peritrichous and atrichous. Monotrichous means single flagella at one end. Example, Vibrio cholerae. Lopotrichous means tuft of flagella at one end. Example, Pseudomonas. Amphitrichous, tuft of flagella at both ends. Example, Rhodospirillum. Peritrichous, flagella all around. Example, E. coli. Atrichous, without any flagella. Example, Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Now you understood the topics: introduction of microorganism, structure of virus and bacteria. In next video, we will discuss about the continuation topics like fungi, algae and protozoa. Let's see the evaluation part. First room letter is choose the correct answer. The first question is microorganisms are measured in dash. Options are A centimeter, B millimeter, C micron, D meter. The answer is C micron. Second one, dash shows both living and non-living characteristic. Options are A protozoa, B virus, C fungi, D bacteria. The answer is B virus. Third question, dash is a prokaryotic microorganism. Options are A virus, B algae, C fungi and D bacteria. The answer is D bacteria. The next Roman letter is fill in the blanks. First question, microorganism can be seen with the help of a dash. Microscope. The answer is microscope. Second question, bacteria which have a flagellum at one end is called as dash. Monotrichous. The answer is monotrichous. Next Roman letter, answer the following. The first question, write the 4 types of bacteria based on their shape. The answer is bacilli, rod-shaped bacteria, cocci, spherical or ball-shaped bacteria, spirilla, spiral-shaped bacteria, vibrio, comma-shaped bacteria. The second question, what is microbiology? The answer, the science that deals with the study of microorganism is known as microbiology.